morning, my lovely Libras. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Libras, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of July 2024. Please note that it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Also, guys, if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So guys, while pre-shuffling, there were only a few messages that I got, but those were very loud and clear. Someone is definitely going to have romance or love life blooming to its peak. Like it could be a very committed kind of a relationship, or rather a relationship that will end up into commitment. There is someone who really um, truly madly deeply like the song says, in love with you, or it's you who is in love with someone like that, and this person is actually stuck on you. Could be a Piscean. I saw hangman and energy over there, but yeah, lots of love. I saw romance card from the oracle deck. I saw lovers card, Gemini energy from the other deck. So yes, definitely romance is on cards. For some of you, it's the time for a time of wish fulfillments, okay? Like you had probably worked hard over, or harder over something, carefully plotted. What am I saying? Carefully planned, I am actually so exhausted. So sorry for my, or apologies for my fumbling, or sleepages. So what I meant is, someone might have carefully plotted or planned about something, and worked diligently based on the plan, and now that whatever it was, it is, you are kind of reaping its benefits, or it's coming into reality or manifestation, and it's time to sit back and enjoy the fruits of your hard work, okay? So that's the kind of energy I was saying. Someone is in manifestation phase totally, okay? Magician energy, Virgo energy showing up over there. So yeah, those were some of the messages, guys, pre-shuffling messages. With that, let's get started and let's see what we have for you guys in your mean reading. I'm a Libra ascendant, and I am curious to know what it is. Oh my god, someone definitely is like, look at this, guys. Look at those cards, guys. Definitely, am I seeing all pentacles now? Really? There is soulmate energy. Oh my god, I can just go on and on, guys, but I'll stop at that. I'll just summarize all these cards, okay? Let me quickly check the cards for you guys. Yeah. So basically, your health card is showing up Two of Wands. So some of you guys might be, in terms of health, you are trying to find out more information over the net, or you are inquiring about few things, new diet. You're consulting a dietitian, or maybe you're looking for a new gym. You're wanting to enroll to a new gym, and you're finding out more information as to which one is the best, and like time wise, or results wise, okay? So basically, you're kind of in the phase wherein you're finding out more information about uh, uh, things related to your health, okay? Maybe uh, it's a Zumba class that you want to enroll, or yoga class that you want to enroll. It could be a virtual class as well that you are finding out about, okay? So you are, thinking of starting a new workout regime, or you're probably chalking out diet plan for yourself, and a healthy balanced diet, as well as a workout plan for you guys, and you are taking steps towards those, okay? You probably have not enrolled yourself anywhere, but you are, you are chalking out your options, okay? Maybe you have two or more options which you have already zeroed down on, and you are just kind of shortlisting and might go for one of these. Okay, that's what I'm getting very very strongly. Make sure that you are drinking a lot of fluids, guys. There could be some heat related issues for some of you guys. Headaches basically is what I can tell up front. Okay, so just be little careful and take care of the body temperature. That is what I'm getting over here. Okay, yeah, fever also is what I'm seeing for some of you guys. Make sure that you are keeping your body cool, body temperature cool is what I'm getting. Okay, so yeah, that's about your health, guys. Moving on to your current energy, Three of Cups reunion is what I'm getting right away. Some of you guys might have college, school reunion, or alumni meet. Okay, you might meet up with your ex colleagues, schoolmates, batchmates. Okay, but definitely reunion on card is what I'm getting. Reconciliation also for some of you guys. Maybe someone from your past might show up and say hi to you guys, and maybe earlier, if you were into no contact, you might start talking again. I don't see rekindling of any bond over here, but you are on some of you guys might get on a cordial phase, wherein like earlier you were absolutely not talking to each other for some reasons, but now you are at least, you have reached that stage wherein you are like, okay to say hi hello to each other. Okay, that's what I'm getting, guys. Socializing definitely is on cards for some of you guys. Hanging out with friends. I also feel that some of you guys might go abroad for higher studies, and that's where you are kind of meeting people, socializing. Okay, saying goodbyes to your friends and family. That's what I'm getting for some of you guys. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm getting. Your blocker is Page of Wands. Wow, that's your challenge really. I feel that you know there are a lot of pages, 3 pages, 3 kings. What is going on, guys? Literally, I've never seen any such thing. So guys, basically, someone, I feel that someone is actually kind of wanting to come to your life or wanting to be a part of your life, but either you are blocking this energy, or they are withholding. That message is yet to arrive is what I'm getting. Okay, someone really is head over heels in love with you, and this person, I feel, is very much physically attracted to you, Libras, is what I'm getting. There is lot of fire, there is a lot of passion that I'm seeing. Please spare me a bit, but I'm just rendering the messages as I see on the cards. Okay, so yes, there is a lot of attraction that I'm seeing over here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, and somehow maybe this person is withholding, telling you. Okay, has not expressed to you, or maybe it is you who has not expressed to this person. Okay, so the communication that needs to be done, or the expression that needs to be done, is not done over here is what I'm getting. That's your challenge. Let's quickly clarify more. Please tell me more about why this page is in the reverse, or not reverse exactly, but blocker. Hierophant, yeah. Oh my god, guys, really, I mean, there could be a case wherein uh, you know uh, there could be a case wherein someone really likes you, admires you, or loves you, but probably there could be a huge cultural difference between you two guys. Okay, you could be from different religions or different caste community. Okay, and that is the reason why this person is kind of withholding. Okay, they are thinking what they are thinking of future, like what would be the future of this bond or association. What will happen if I actually go and express my feelings to my Libran. Okay, or vice versa, you could be the one who is thinking all this. But yes, that's the reason why this communication has not happened yet. This person is withholding for sure. Okay, for sure is what I'm getting, guys. Yeah, also there could be a huge age gap also between you guys. Okay, and that could also be one reason why this person has not approached you yet. Okay, so Libras, I know this is a specific message, but if at all this happens to you, do let me know. Okay, I would really like to know what it is. Your advice is Five of Pentacles. Some of you guys are feeling left out. Okay, you are feeling utterly left out, and um you know, if at all if at all you're feeling financially burdened, guys, just be very be cautious, okay? Don't worry, but be cautious about your expenses. Be careful where you're spending your money. Let's still pull a clarifier on what advice the angels would want to give to my Librans. Oh my god, like really, guys, you are going to expect lot of, please expect lot of communication coming your way, okay? A lot. This was the only king that was missing amongst the this suit, and we have, with that we have completed all the kings. Someone very very mature, you're dealing with someone who is really really mature, and not just I mean by nature is what I meant. This person could also be elder to you, okay? You are actually dealing with with such person, and this could be a twin flame kind of a relationship, okay guys? And um that's why it's not easy, that is why it's not easy, and that's why so much of blocked communication is what I'm saying. But either ways, there is going to there is going to be a lot of communication that is going to come your way from this person, or not, or work wise also there's going to be a lot of communication, guys. Please expect someone to just, you know, come and express his or her feelings to you, that is very sure. If, on professional front, guys, whatever work was stuck for you guys, whatever, you know, if at all you're feeling left out, if at all you're feeling something is unfair, unjust for you guys, just go and communicate. Communication is the key, okay? Make sure you're assertive, make sure you're not defensive, rude, or, you know, don't talk with emotions, okay? Talk with a professional tone, okay? And make sure that you're crystal clear in your communication, and I believe that is what is precisely going to happen to you guys, okay? Whatever this conflict is, whatever this misunderstanding is, just, you know, be vocal about it and get it resolved, is what the angels are saying, okay? You have to collaborate, you have to partner up with whoever you're working with, whoever you're dealing with, personally or professionally, and you have to speak it out, okay? Without speaking, without knowing the other person what you're thinking, how do you expect to the conflict to be resolved, okay? It's like no one can read your mind, right? We can't expect that, so you have to communicate, you have to be verbose, okay? That's what the angels are saying. Lot of communication is what I'm saying. Some of you guys might also travel overseas, is what I'm getting. Like there are many cards that are indicating overseas travel. Say there is world card also over here. Say similar messages, you are definitely going to end up meeting your soulmate, guys. Hands down, some of you guys over here. Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. See, the same card is over here, wish fulfillments. Your dreams are about to come true, okay? Or you are a dream come true for someone, okay? If we talk about the group of people who fall into this romantic side of the reading, okay, into the relationship side of the reading, it's like you are manifesting a dream relationship, or you are someone's manifestation. They find you as their dream come true, okay? That's what I'm getting very very strongly over here, very clearly over here, okay? Yeah, there is King and Queen of Cups, guys. The soulmate counterpart, or the divine counterpart, or the soulmate energy that we spoke about, that is already over here. The King of Swords is again over here. Communicate, communicate, communicate. Communication is your key, or rather the key message for this reading, guys. If you are looking for a job, please note that you are going to hear it very very soon, okay? You are going to get job offer, or I won't say job offer, you at least get a job interview call, okay? An interview will be scheduled for you guys very very soon, is what I'm getting, okay? Someone is going to offer you commit, guys. There could be a case wherein there are more than one people that you are dealing with, okay? Because there are all four kings in the mix, okay? And I'm not really not understanding what to make out of it, okay? But definitely someone is kind of offering you commitment, is what I'm getting, or you are dealing with more than one person, or more than one person is interested in you, is what I'm getting, guys. Page of Cups, yes, definitely someone is going to come and express his or her feelings to you guys, and like this person is approaching in your life in a very speedy manner. Like it's like they had withhold themselves for a longer time, like really long time, and they cannot control now, and they are just going to come and express their feelings to you. Okay, that's what I'm getting very very strongly, guys. Yeah, so be prepared. Okay, be prepared is what I'm saying. And this person loves you a lot. Okay, and they are going to probably express to you in a very cute and a very sweet manner. Like every person's dream, every, if you're a female, you know, every woman or every girl or every lady would want her partner to express his feelings towards her like that. Okay, that it, I mean, it could be that dreamy and that rosy is what I'm trying to tell you, guys. So you know, rosy, lovey dovey, in whichever way you want to imagine, is what this relationship is about. Okay, and they're just speeding in your life. By the way, there are a lot of changes overall happening in your life in a very speedy manner, guys. So Librans, just buckle up. Okay, just buckle up for these changes. Some of you guys have been overthinking about some issue, and you really need to let go and move on, move ahead in your life. Okay, that's what the angels are saying. There's no point overthinking or beating yourself up. It's time to move on now. Okay, it's time to take action and walk away from whatever it is that is bothering you. Okay, that's what I'm getting. For some of you guys who have been looking at change in career, yes, the things could be delayed, but note that it's not that things are not happening in the background, and you definitely will hear from a recruiter very very soon. Okay, there will be a message related to work, and you will get an interview call very very soon. Okay, that's what I'm getting very very strongly. Librans, it was such a bunch. It was quite a reading. I have never done any such reading, guys, wherein I have pulled kings of all the elements, and see, divine counterpart, soulmate energy. Someone is hands down going to come together in this lifetime to get married. Okay, to get married. Okay, nothing and nothing is going to stop you from coming together in this lifetime, is what I'm getting. You just look at these cards. Oh my god, you are connected with each other through karma. Okay, like this is a karmic connection and no one can break it. Okay, you have soul contract with each other, you are connected by soul with each other. To me it appears to be a twin flame energy as well, so that's the reason why it could be a little tough one. It won't form into the traditional or conventional checklist of relationships. There could be age gap, there could be a religion issue, caste issue, communal issue between you two, which will make it even more difficult. Okay, but nevertheless, no matter what the odds are, you guys are going to come together. Okay, that's what I'm getting. A lot of passionate messages, phone calls will be exchanged between two people over here. Okay, talking over phone or chatting throughout the night is what I'm getting, guys. And also communication in terms of travel is what I'm seeing. Okay, you'll definitely travel also overseas, some of you guys, is what I'm getting. I'm repeating the messages, but yeah, they're so loud and clear that I can't help it. I just can't help it. Let's pull one particular one small spread from this particular deck, guys, and conclude the reading. Yeah, so it's a big fat yes. A big fat yes, that for every single thing, If you're looking for a job, there's no need to worry. Okay, there is absolutely no need to worry. Like I said, even if you can't see it right now, even if the things are slow right now, things are going to speed up all of a sudden. Okay, like it's like the clouds are going to clear for you guys all of a sudden. So just do not worry. You are going to get a new job opportunity over here. If it is relationship, again, there's no need to worry. New love is written all over for you guys. Okay, go for peaceful resolution if at all you are into any conflict, especially the 9 of Swords and 6 of Swords energy, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. If at all you are worried about something, if you are into tiff with someone, disagreements with if you are not into agreement with someone, don't get into an argument, just walk away peacefully. Okay, go out for peaceful resolution anytime. Recovery, okay, give yourself time to heal, recover. Okay, also I told you, right guys, some of you guys really need to take care of their body temperatures. Okay, you might experience headaches, migraines, or even fever. Okay, so if at all you're going through all all these things, please make sure you're resting enough, you're giving yourself time to recover, and not just jumping and jumping from one thing to another and over exerting yourself. Okay, so please make sure that you're giving yourself time to heal and recover, and it's a perfect timing, Libras. Yeah, I can see like overall energy is talking about perfect timing. Okay, like I said, there is a bunch of there are bunch of energies and involved over here. It's not a specific reading at all, though some messages are specific, but there are different kind of messages over here, and so some are professional, some are personal. Okay, either ways, professionally or personally, Librans, overall it's perfect time for you guys. Perfect time to find a new job, perfect time to focus on your health, perfect time for love, relationships. Okay, perfect time for absolutely everybody. It's a big fat positive yes for you guys. Okay, for whatever yes no question you have, librans. Librans, it was a lovely reading. I had absolutely not expected this, and I am really curious to know what is happening with you guys. Okay, even if it is 2-3 months down the line, if you feel that this reading, this prediction has come true, do let me know. Okay, do let me know. Even if it is 2-3 months down the line, I will definitely like to hear from you guys. So Librans, I'll leave it at that. I'll see you next one directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.